How to remove phone number from Gmail. So go ahead and open your Gmail application. In this page, click on the three lines icon on the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down in this panel and then select Settings. Now, in this Settings page, select your Gmail account. You will then be directed to this account settings. So in here, just select your info, privacy, and security. Now you are in the home tab of your Google account settings. Beside that is the personal info, so click on that. Scroll down until you see the contact info tab. Below your email is the phone, so click on that. In here, you will see two icons, which is the edit icon and the trash icon. Since we want to delete our phone number, we need to click on the trash icon. After that, you will be asked to enter your password, so just type that in. Click on next. Click on the trash icon again. Confirm on this pop-up window, and after that, your phone number will be removed from your Gmail account. So that is how to remove phone number from Gmail. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.